So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today guys, as always, I would like to show you one more cool strategy for the binary options market. And before doing this, don't forget to check the description to this video. So here you'll find a lot of useful information. First of all, daily trading signals, daily analytic, and the most important thing is that you can become a member of my dream team, become a member of my VIP channel, and all you need for this is just write me a message in the Telegram concerning your will to join my channel. So guys, in the my VIP channel you have an opportunity to participate in my daily online trading sessions and start earning and working together with me. So guys, now let's stop talking and let's proceed to our trading activity for today. So guys, what do we have for today? So guys, today we're using Donchian channel indicator. As always, we're using only short time period of just 1 minute. We invest the whole deposit in each deal. This will help us to save our time and to unlock our deposit as fast as possible. So now we have already invested $50 in the first deal. We're starting with just only $50 in the account today. Concerning this trade that we have now, you can see that price has already hit the strong level of resistance and now price is going down. That's why we open sell position here, and we're just waiting for our profit now. Now, concerning Donchian channel indicator, for those who don't know how it's working, everything is very simple. We have bottom of the channel and the upper edge of the channel. When the price is hitting the upper edge, for example, of the channel, after this it will highly likely go down to the middle of the channel or even to the bottom of it. Contrary to that, if the price is hitting the bottom of the channel, after this it will highly likely go up to the middle of the channel or to the upper edge of the channel. So you just need to find the best entry point at the upper edge of the channel or at the bottom of it. So guys, here is the same situation as in the first deal. Price has hit the upper edge of the channel and now it's going down. That's why we have open sell position here in continuation to this movement. We have invested $90 in it. Everything is very simple. Let's open AUD/CAD currency pair. Okay guys, so the situation is very clear. We have a strong down-going channel. As you can see, price has passed the bottom of the channel. This is very strong signal. When price passes bottom of the channel or the upper edge of the channel, it gives us a very strong signal that the price will continue its movement. So, as you can see, price has already passed the bottom of the channel and the fall continues. That's why we're opening sell position here in continuation to this cool movement. So, while we're waiting for our profit, we have already changed our investment to $320. For now, $170 are invested. So here, once again, as you can see, price has passed the bottom of the channel and now it's going to go much lower than it is now. That's why we have open sell position here. So here guys, as you can see, we have a downgoing channel, downgoing movement. Price now is going to pass the bottom of the channel, and if it does this, then it will fall more and more. That's why we have open sell position here, and now we are just waiting for our money in the pocket. Okay guys, that's it. That was a nice one. As you can see, now we have $1,134 in our account. However, we just started with $50 in the very beginning. So that's really good, that's really nice. Now let's change our investment to $1,000. Let's proceed to Euro USD currency pair. So guys, here the situation is very clear. Now the price is hitting the strong level of resistance. That's why we have opened one sell position with an investment of $1,000 here. And now let's wait for our profit. That's cool, that's good. Let's continue. We have $2,000 on our account. So we have opened AUD CAD currency pair. So what do we have here? The situation is very clear. We can see the down-going channel. Price is going to pass the bottom of it, the bottom of the Donchian channel, and after this it will fall more and more as always. So this gives us a very strong signal for the short position. That's why we have opened two sell positions with investments of $1,000 each one. By the way guys, don't forget to check the description to this video as I told you at the very beginning, because here you can find a cool link to my Telegram channel where guys you can find a lot of useful information, daily trading signals, daily analytics and other cool stuff. And the most important thing is that you can become a member of my dream team, become a member of my VIP channel guys. In the VIP channel you have the most important opportunity. It's called Daily Online Trading Sessions together with me. You can follow my recommendations, get your money, and just say thank you Michael for the money I got today. And all this is absolutely free for you. You just need to write me a message, a private message in the Telegram, and become a member of my VIP channel. Everything is very simple. And one more thing is that now I have a cool tournament in my Telegram channel. On the 27th of September I will choose the luckiest one who will get new iPhone 14 Pro Max with memory of 256 gigabytes. So guys, don't lose your chance to win the phone and to get your money each day. Everything is for free. So guys, now the same situation. Price is hitting the bottom of the channel and it's going to pass it. That's why we have opened three sell positions here. Three sell positions are opened with an investment of $1,000 each one. That's cool, that's really cool. Let's wait for our money here. So guys, cool. What do we have here? You can see that the price has hit the upper edge of the channel, of the Donchian channel, and for us that means that price will highly likely go down now towards the middle of the channel or even towards the bottom of it. That's why we have opened 5 sell positions with an investment of $1,000 each one, and still we have $1,374 on our account left. So all in all we have more money, and moreover we'll get money right now also. Fantastic guys, all deals were profitable. Just look at this sum in my account, $10,724. Oh my god, oh my goodness, that's amazing, that's fucking amazing guys. Oh my god, oh my god. We started with $50, now I have $10,724. That's fucking awesome. Okay guys, so what do we have here? Once again the situation is quite simple. As you can see, price is hitting the strong level of resistance. That's why it will go down after this. And according to this, we have opened 5 sell positions with an investment of $1,000 each one. So we have invested $5,000 totally. And let's wait for our money. Let's wait for it. Let's wait, guys. So here, guys, the situation is also very simple. As you can see, price has passed the bottom of the channel, and it gives us strong signal that the price will go down right now. That's why we have opened 2 sell positions with an investment of $1,000 each one. Everything is very simple here. And let's just wait, yes, for our money. We got more money. We have $17,000, guys. Just imagine this. That's so fucking awesome. Okay, guys, so here once again a very simple situation. As you can see in the chart, we are currently in the long-term down-going channel. Now we had small correction, upgoing, and it's over. That's why we have opened 3 sell positions, because now price will go down, and we need just to wait for our money. 30 seconds. That's all. I think this will be the last trade for today. Yes, it's profitable, guys. Just look at this, $20,000. $20,000. We started with just only $50. So we got more than, oh my god, more than, oh my god, 100, 200, 300. We got more than 400 times more. Oh my goodness, that's fucking crazy. So guys, we got more than 400 times more. That's fucking crazy. Guys, if you want to do the same results, you can do them. Just be with me. Join my Telegram channel. The link you can find in the description. And moreover, really, concerning this Telegram channel, it will give you a real chance to earn this money. I know that there are a lot of traders on the market who promises you lots of money, that you will become a millionaire in one day. No, that's not true. If you want to become a real trader, earn such money each day, you need to learn. You need to learn, upgrade yourself, upgrade your skills, upgrade your mind, and I can help you with this for free. I don't want money from you, I want results from you, because I have a lot of money and I don't want you to pay me something. That's not serious at all. I want you to make really good results and become successful, and that's my will. So that's why, guys, don't hesitate to write me private messages on the Telegram. You can ask me whatever you want concerning trading. Subscribe to it, subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. Now, leave comments for this video. I'm sure you like it. Please give me your feedbacks, whether you are going to use these indicators, whether you had already received results from them. I need this information from you guys. It's very interesting for me. So now, thank you for your attention. Have a nice and successful day, and bye bye.